Hello my dear viewers, you are welcome to this video. This video is about how to sew the two side pocket of your trouser. And this is what we have here, the gums here and the trouser being cut. Okay, we're going to place these gum stairs at these right angles. Okay, we'll fold this flap backward before placing this gum stair on it. Fold it backward and straighten it up. Then place the gum stair on it. And to the other side, we fold the flap backward again. Yes, to give us what we need when we are going to fix the zip. Okay, now is for me to hold the gum stair with an iron. Alright, we are done with that, and the next thing is to cover it up. Here is the pocket cover. We have the back and the front. So I marked this place as I cut that edge to indicate that that is where I'm going to face downward. So that marked area, that little cut I made at the edge there, will indicate that that is where we're facing down the pocket. The same thing applicable to this one. And then we measure 8.5 constant for an adult. We're saying for someone little like children, or it depends on the size of the person. So but an adult we make it 8.5. You can take 7, 6 depending on the size of the person, and even 9 or 10 depending on the size of the person. And then what next is to cut a little cut. Just make a slight cut by that end. Don't cut it too much, just slightly, so it won't go too deep. When it goes too deep, to distort the joining of the cloth, you have issue there. Okay, now you bend the mouth from the point where you cut. You just have to bend it up, just to have a smooth edge there. Then after the bending, you fold it inward of about 2.5 inches or 3. But I'm going to make this one 2.5. That is, the mouth of this triangular shape will be 2.5 inches. From this point I'm measuring will be 2.5. Sometimes I make it 3 inches, but I'm using 2.5 for this one. Then after you have gotten it accurately, you just have to use your iron and hold it. It's whatever type of iron you are using. You can see I'm using a local one. This one serves me at any time, with or without the light. Okay, so you make it firm enough to hold. Some fabrics can be very stubborn. For you to hold it with this iron, you have to struggle and struggle and struggle to make it firm. Okay, this one, do it same way. Yeah, 8.5, bend and then fold. So now we are done with this. Okay, the next thing is to take it to the machine. I take it to the machine and sew from the beginning of the folding to the point where I cut, that is the 8.5 ending. So just sew the mouth to have that shape you normally see on your pocket when you want to put your hand in there. So you can see, just take it little, don't make it too bold. And then when you get to that 8.5 ending, you stitch to make it stronger more. Okay, now what we're going to do is to open it up. You open it up to sew the other end inward. That place is going to be covered anyways, but you're going to hold it firm enough. So you sew it downward. Before you reach that 8.5, you stop. Before you reach that place, you stop and stitch. Because if you go beyond that, you're going to sew the pocket cover on the body of the cloth itself. Okay, now it is the time to form our pocket. Finish sewing it on the cloth, on the body, and then you are forming it already. Now so you fold it backward like this, like to cover it up. When you cover it up, you have this. The pocket cover will now cover that part that you folded, like this. So you're going to sew from here to here, and the measurement is 3 inches. Can still make it 2.5, but take 3 inches so I can have enough space when I want to join the trouser, the front trouser to the back. 3 inches accurate. Make sure that you have the mouth of the pocket cover and the trouser itself on the same level, like this, just the way I placed it. And then you just hold it with a office pin, then come down to the 8.5 ending where I made a cut, then and stitch like this. Just stitch here. This stitching now will hold the pocket cover already, just to make your sewing easier. And then you come to this top and sew slightly at the top, just to cover the top of the pocket. You're sewing it slightly because when you join the waistband will be able to cover it up. If you sew it downward, it won't be covered up and it will be visible. The thread will be visible, and that will disqualify your work. Okay, so now we have the pocket. Put your hand inside and remove it, and then stretch it to rhyme. This is to cover the down part of the pocket. You rhyme it up. Rhyme it up and sew. And so get to this point, you curve. If you cannot make the curve, you just stop and then turn it and begin to sew again to this point. Just trim out the excess, and when you turn it up, the edges will be smooth. not romping. Okay, you turn the pocket back inward again, inside. Turn it back inside. And here we have our pocket almost finished. Just stroke it out to make the sharp edge, and then sew it again so that the pocket will be strong enough to hold whatever thing you're putting inside it. All right, you are there. You are there. The pocket is done. Pocket is ready. Yeah. Okay, it's ready. Please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel so that you can have more updates. Thank you.